At least 10 people are 50 injured in a stampede that's taken place at Prayagraj early this morning as the Mauni Amavasya Snan was underway at the Mahakumbh at Triveni. The images that you see right behind me show you the huge crowd that's come to Prayagraj for the Mauni Amavasya Snan. There's a sea of humanity here, and unfortunately, as one wave after the other tried to get to Triveni and another wave was returning from Triveni, while there are different routes, but unfortunately the crowd just went completely out of control, and that is where a stampede is feared to have taken place. And in this stampede, the information that we are now getting you is at least 10 pilgrims are feared to have lost their lives, several injured. India Today has been reporting from the Prayagraj hospital that's been set up at the main Kshetra since 3 in the morning, and one after the other ambulances kept going to the hospital. It was almost like a train of ambulances that was rushing to hospital, taking pilgrims to hospital and then coming back to take more. The situation does remain extremely grim even now. Even now, when you see the pictures all around me, the Akhada Parishad, of course, we are told, has also called off the Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan today because of the crowd control inadequacies, as we are told. Just look at these images all around me. When you look at these images all around me, it's very clear that all the roads that had been demarcated, all the routes that had been demarcated, they were not followed. That's point one. Point two, while there would be an inquiry, and even now you can hear ambulances, you constantly hear ambulances going towards the hospital, to the right, to the left. The same road, you have ambulances going, you have people coming and people going back. The crowd control methods that had been adopted clearly were found to be inadequate at Prayagraj. The situation took a turn for the worse a little after midnight. While the administration, it kept making those announcements that please take a dip and move towards the bus station and the railway station, the pilgrims want to stay on for daybreak to take a dip, and this is where the crowds just went completely out of control of the administration here. And even now, when you look, this is a road for the pilgrims to go towards Pontoon Bridge number 1 and cross over. But at the same time, pilgrims are going on this road and pilgrims are coming back on this road. It just goes on to show that methods had been put in place by the administration were inadequate or ineffective. A decision had clearly been taken that those pilgrims who come from the eastern UP and those who come from western UP and other parts of the country will take a dip on the other side of the river. However, those systems were not adhered to on ground, and a lot of reactions are coming in. Listen in.
जो भी हुआ है अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए अखाड़ा परिषद ने फैसला लिया है जनहित को ध्यान में रखते हुए, क्योंकि कुंभ क्षेत्र में कम से कम 10-12 करोड़ जनता आ चुकी है। उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए अमृत स्नान को कैंसिल किया है।
First reaction that's coming in from the Akhada Parishad, very clearly saying that the crowds much more than expected. It's apparently more than 10 crore people who are here. Just look all around me. Just look all around me. You just see a sea of humanity all around. And unfortunately, it's very chaotic. The organization was to ensure that crowd control was to be in a linear manner. They would come in one direction, take a dip and then go back from the other direction. But that hasn't been followed. People are coming and going back from exactly the same route, leading to chaos here. There was supposed to be a sector in charge. Deputy Superintendent of Police and Superintendents of Police were made in charges of every zone. But when one zone collapsed, every zone kept collapsing after that, leading to this large crowd coming in. Of course, now one part of the road has been opened for ambulances to go, and people are using that same route to leave. So while this was something that everyone was really looking forward to, the Mauni Amavasya Snan and the akhadas, in their grandeur, the akhadas had planned how they would come one after the other. India Today has been reporting from 2 in the morning, right when the preparations had started. We had come to this point. We were reporting on this, and senior police officers are now talking to akhada officers, to akhada members, to try and ensure that some order can be restored, and the rest of the Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan, whether that can still take place. But the akhadas have very clearly said that let the crowds be controlled first. Let every devotee be able to take a dip. Now the administration is also repeatedly telling people that you do not all have to go to the Triveni, the Sangam of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati to take a dip. The entire 12-kilometer stretch of ghats, you can take a dip anywhere. However, the rush is only towards Triveni, and crowd control is something that the Uttar Pradesh government was talking very extensively about. That crowd control has completely failed early this morning. It was at 3 in the morning that announcements were made. People were rushing to hospital. We spoke to several eyewitnesses. We spoke to those whose skin are missing or injured or sadly feared dead. And because they were not being able to get the full picture, there were scenes of chaos outside the hospital.